Right, so we've seen this concept of variables, which are boxes in the computer's memory. We've seen whole numbers, which are integers. We've seen double numbers, which involve decimal places or decimal points. We've seen this idea of strings, which is really text. There you go, string is text. We've seen how to see things on the screen as well. Next thing to do is to bring in mathematics, which people hate, or like, depending. And we'll do some basic arithmetic to start with. And you can use arithmetic to do obvious calculations, just like things we do in a calculator, to be honest. So let's try some really basic mathematics right now. I'm going to create a brand new variable, another int, and I'll call that I amount. It can be quantity, but I amount sounds good, and quantity is hard to spell. And I'm going to say I may have 7 things. So I've called it equals 7. Right? I'll put another one of those little comments in and just say, this is how many I have. So that's to remind me what this variable called I amount is doing, or what it's for. Next I'll put in this. I'll put in something like, say, double. Yep, let's use one of these decimal numbers, D. And we'll call this cost in equals. Notice I put a capital C there and a capital I, so I can read cost in. And this will represent how much it costs to buy a product that I'm going to sell. So obviously when I buy it in, it has to be cheaper than the price I sell it for, or I won't make any money. So let's say cost in, and this product's not very expensive. It's only 0.30, which means 30 pence. And again, I'll say this is the cost bought in at. And look, I'm running out of space already on my screen. So what I can do is scroll it a little bit, so you can see it a little bit better there. So the text is a little bit smaller, but you can still see it. So that's that one done. Another double, I'll call this the sale price equals, now I want to make a profit. I've bought this product, whatever it is, for 30 pence. I have to make sure I make enough money to make it worthwhile. So I'm going to put a markup on it, which increases the price. What I can do is I can physically decide. I'm going to physically decide it's going to cost £1.20, 1.20 to buy this product from me. I'm making a huge profit there. Space, just say this. This is the sale price. What I've done so far is made lots of boxes in memory. I've no idea what this product is. Maybe I should give it a name. String S product equals, and let's call it, now let's think, what can you buy for £1.20 in the shops? Something small, something not really needed, nothing really necessary. I think I have bought, let's say, lemon juice. So I bought the lemon juice, not sure the size of it, but I basically bought them in at 30 pence each. I'll sell them at 120, and I bought 7 of them right now. So I stand to make a profit if I can sell these. This is the product name. Now I could have said S product name there like that, give it a better name, but I'll just keep it to S product. I've decided S product is a good name for this variable in the computer's memory, and then don't forget save. Now I haven't done anything with this yet, so let's do a little bit of maths. I want to do some maths on this. I want to find out, there's lots of things I could do. I want to find out, for example, how much money I had to spend to buy 7 of these things myself. So I'll do this, system.out.print PRINTLN, and I'll just say this. Now I'm going to do it inside here. I'm going to say I amount. So I know that's a 7. And then to do a multiplication, it's the asterisk key, which is above number 8. I can't quite see what I'm doing here, so I'm just going to move it to the side there. And I can see that the thing was called dcost, it's there, so dcost in. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to do the maths as I send the information to the screen. So I'll do the calculation on the fly right now, and we'll see what happens. So I hit save, hit run, and now it says this. I'll scroll up a bit so you can see it. It says 2.1. 2.1. How does that work out? 1.20, right? It's not that one. It's this one. 0.30, so that's 30 pence. So it's taking this and it's saying 0.3 times 7 does give you 2.1. So it's removed the end zero there to the right hand side, because although I put the zero there, as far as it's concerned when it's doing maths, it doesn't have to look at zeros at the right because there's nothing there because it's a zero. And that's why it looks like that there, 2.1. So it doesn't say £2 and 1 and 10 pence, it just says 2.1. Because it's not dealing with it as if it's money, as if it's currency.